Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how color contacts can change the color of your eyes and the look of your makeup. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. Just4Kira sent me 4 different color contacts to try on, but before I show you the different colors, we're going to do a little bit of unboxing. The contacts come in a cute little box with gold embossed letters that says Just4Kira color contact lenses, and on the other side of the box it says Lost in Your Eyes. When you open up the box, there is a thank you card, and on the back side it provides easy and straightforward instructions that tells you how to put on and take off your contacts. I really like how the box is packaged and everything is nicely compact. This is what one of the packaging looks like. It has the Just4Kira brand on the box, and all of their boxes are holographic. And the contact in this box is Neala brown, and this one is for my right eye since it is negative 1.5 degree and I'm short-sighted for the right eye. The other packaging have Abicom on it, which I think is one of the brand that Just4Kira sells. This color is gem blue and is 0 degree, which is for my left eye since that I have perfect vision. I have a total of 4 colors to try on for today's video. Each box contains 1 contact, so this means 2 boxes are a pair of contacts. On the back of the packaging, it tells you the date that it will expire, and I believe that the date on the bottom is the manufacturing date. This way you know that you are not being sent expired contacts. For each pair of color contacts, you get a case to store your color contacts. This is what the clear case looks like. I really like that all of the cases that they provide is clear, because if you have 4 different color contacts, you can see what they are. This is the case that I get for free when I purchase my contact solution, and I prefer the clear case for the color contact for obvious reasons, and I actually didn't even know that they make clear cases until I was sent them. Each of the clear cases come with a tweezer and a contact applicator. I believe that these tweezers are for removing your contact, but it actually kind of looks a little bit intimidating, and I prefer to remove my contact with just my fingers. So this can be a great tool for someone who needs help with removing their contact. This little contact applicator is actually my favorite because I use it to apply my contacts. For some reason, for the life of me, I cannot put on contacts with my fingers, so I find this very useful. My eyes naturally close when my finger comes close to it, so this little guy really helps me out a lot. I actually film the contacts on different days just because if I switched to too many contacts, it might irritate my eyes and make it look red. The first contact I wanted to show you is Vision Gray. I picked this color because I really wanted to see what I look like with gray eyes. I only did one eye for this one because I wanted to show you the difference side by side. As you can tell, it looks quite obvious that this is not my natural eye color. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable enough to wear this out or to work, as it isn't your typical natural color for an Asian person like me. I would probably wear this for a cosplay look or a creative look for my Instagram page. Up next, we have Luna Green. This is the comparison side by side. It is not my favorite color for the eyes, well, especially not my eyes, but I'm sure someone else would be able to pull off this color. This would probably be another color that I would wear for a cosplay or a creative look. For some reason, this color makes me look like a cat. It gives more of an exotic look. I was hoping for more of a softer green, but I guess I can get used to this. It actually doesn't look too bad. So this is me with green eyes. So moving on to Gem Blue, this pair is quite obvious that I am wearing contact. I actually really like the look of this color. Not only does it make my eyes bigger, it also makes it stand out. Well, at least that's what I think. Just in case I forget, Just4Kira did give me a discount code for my viewers, and that is Kelly1 for 20% off your order if you choose to use that code at checkout. And also a little disclaimer that it is an affiliate code, and I will put it in the description box below. Now that's out of the way, the next color I have is Neala Brown. This pair is more of a natural soft brown color that has a warm feel to it. If you notice, there is an outer ring on the outer edges, so it should make my eyes look a little bit bigger. Neala Brown would probably be one of my favorite pairs, as it is a more natural brown color that is similar to my eyes color, but just a little bit lighter. At 14mm, it does make my eye look a little bigger, which I kind of like. You can reuse this pair up to 1 year. All of these contacts are made from the same material, so they are comfortable on the eyes. I didn't feel any irritation, and I have tried wearing the brown one on all day, and I even forgot that I was wearing them. I usually prefer to wear contacts before I apply my makeup. This way I don't accidentally get eyeshadow or makeup in my eyes while I'm trying to wear my contact lens. For me, I love color contacts in general. Makeup can enhance your natural beauty, but depending on the color contacts, it can brighten up your eyes and draw someone's attention directly to your eyes. I would say that my favorite color is Neala Brown just because it looks a little bit more natural and I can see myself wearing it more often. This one is a little bit closer to my natural eye color, except that it makes my eyes a little bit brighter and it is more natural compared to the other color contacts I've tried. And yeah, so this one is my favorite. Let me know what you think about these color contacts and what color is your favorite in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!